Welcome to Spoken Hindi course by G Master of Manappare. Welcome to our Hindi spoken course. Today in this unit we shall discuss about WH question. Certain words are there meant only for framing the question. For example, क्या, what, कहाँ, where, कब, when, कौन, who, कौन सा, कौन से, कौन सी, which, क्यों, why, किसका, किसकी, किसके, whose, कैसा, कैसे, कैसी, how, कितना, कितने, कितनी, how many, किसको, किसे, किससे, whom. Let us discuss about each and every question word now. The first question word in Hindi, क्या or what. This is the most popular question word. Following are the places where क्या is used. It is used to know the name of a person, of a place, of a common thing, like what is this or what is that, what is your name, what is the name of this place, what is there on the table, like that. I repeat in Hindi, आपका नाम क्या है, what is your name. इस जगह का नाम क्या है, what's the name of this place. मेज पर क्या है, what's there on the table. Secondly, the question word क्या is used to know the name of the day. आज क्या दिन है, what day is today. कल क्या दिन था, what day was yesterday. Thirdly, the question word क्या is used to know the occupation or profession of a person. आपके पिता क्या कर रहे हैं, what is your father. The question word क्या is also used to get the information about the clock, time, etc. For example, अब क्या समय है, अब क्या समय है, what is time now. आपको क्या चाहिए, what do you want. आप का नाम क्या है, what's your name. In the place of आपका, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है और तेरा नाम क्या है can also be used according to the person we address. इस जगह का नाम क्या है? What is the name of this place? सेब को अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? What is the English name for the fruit सेब? तुम क्या करते हो? What is your profession? Or what are you? To know about the occupation of a person. मेज पर क्या है? What's there on the table? अब क्या समय है? What is the time now? आपको क्या चाहिए? What do you want? Here, in the place of आपको, we can use तुमको और तुझे. कहाँ is used to find the directions or the place of origin of a subject or an object. आपका घर कहाँ है? Where is your house? तुम कहाँ से आते हो? Where are you coming from? डाक घर कहाँ है? Where is the post office? No. कब is a question word to know about the time of an action. आप मुंबई से कब आए? When did you come from Mumbai? सभा कब शुरू होगी? When will the meeting start? आप फिर कब यहाँ आएंगे? When will you come here again? डाकिया कब आएगा? When will the postman come? आपका जन्म कब हुआ? When were you born? कौन is another question word in Hindi. It means who. To know about a person. For example, वह लड़का कौन है? Who is that boy? कौन घर बनाता है? Who builds the home? इस टीम का लीडर कौन है? Who is the leader of this team? आपको कौन मदद करता है? Who helps you? As the next step, we shall discuss about the question words कौन सा, कौन से, कौन सी. For your better understanding, I repeat, कौन सा will be used for masculine singular. कौन से will be used for masculine plurals. कौन सी will be used for feminine singular or plural. When ka, ke and ki case endings are added with kaun. It will become कौन सा, कौन से, कौन सी. For example, कौन सा लड़का, which boy. कौन से लड़के, which boys. कौन सी लड़की और कौन सी लड़कियां, which girl और which girls. आपका दफ्तर कौन सा है, which is your office. For plural, आपको कौन से फल पसंद हैं, which fruits do you like. वो कौन सी गाड़ी से आएंगे, by which train will they come. उसने कौन सा धंधा ढूंढा, which job has he searched. आप कौन सी किताब पढ़ रहे हैं, which book are you reading. क्यों is a question word for why. बच्चा क्यों रोता है, why does the baby cry. लोग क्यों वहां देखते हैं, why do people see there. तुम आज क्यों देर से आए, why did you come late today. हम क्यों कसरत करते हैं, why do we do exercise. कुछ लड़के क्यों नहीं खेलते, why do some boys not play. किसका, किसके, किसकी. It is a question word for whom or whose. Just like कौन, किसका, किसके, किसकी are used according to the gender and number. We shall see some examples. ये लड़का किसका पुत्र है, whose son is this boy. आप किसके साथ दफ्तर जाते हैं, with whom you go to your office. ये किताब किसकी है, whose book is this. यह घर किसका है, whose house is this. ये बच्चे किसके हैं, whose children are these. सीता किसकी पत्नी है, whose wife is सीता. कैसे, कैसा, कैसी. It means how. कैसा, कैसे, कैसी are used according to the gender and number. We shall see some examples using these question word. तुम कैसा पढ़ते हो, how are you studying. तुम कैसे हो, how are you. हमको समाचार कैसे मिलते हैं, how do we get the news. आपको कैसी मिठाई पसंद है? What kind of sweet do you like? विमला कैसी लड़की है? What kind of girl is Bimala? For the countables in Hindi, we use कितना, कितने, कितनी. तुमने कितना दूध लिया? How much milk did you get? कितने बच्चे हिंदी सीखते हैं? How many children do learn Hindi? आपकी कितनी बहनें हैं? How many sisters do you have? उसको कितने पैसे चाहिए? How much money does he want? आप कितने साल से यहाँ काम करते हैं? For how many years have you been working here? वो कितने बजे जागता है? At what time does he wake up? In the next stage, we shall discuss how to frame WH questions from the given answer.